Welcome back, everybody. Part 2 of our scrapbooking extravaganza with John David Birdall. Good morning. Welcome back in. Maybe you busted out your own crafts. We are really getting into this.
I'm coloring a storm over here.
That's really, really great. And so, yeah, I was going to talk about comparison. You know, sometimes, I need inspiration or I need an idea. So some people go on social media or they go on Pinterest to find, the best way to, when you were working on your scrapbook, did you do something like that? How would I put this page together?
I do that, and then I also post my own pages on Pinterest as well.
Yeah, and some people think they have to compare themselves to what they see. You know, that it has to be like that, just like that. And it's like, you know what, after a while, that's sort of unhealthy. You know, you have to tell your own story. You have to make your own page, your own book. You know, so keep that in mind. You know, it's not about, perfection, and it's not about copying.
That's
you know, it's about connection.
You. It's all about you at home.
Yes, and
How
this page is all about me.
And this page is quite literally all about you. I love that you have your own little action shot of you, though.
Oh, yeah?
That was the perfect way to showcase yourself.
Yes,
I love it,
so.
too.
So,
Be
yeah,
your own
little
inspiration.
With this little pencil sketch.
I love it.
Yeah, that's what I thought, that would be a good idea. And then out of this sort of catalog here, I could take some of the pages. Like there's a class that I had taught illustrating a story. And so something that, gosh, where's the tape? So I could take tape. Like Scotch tape, it's in there.
Wait, explain what this is. This thing is a gift.
Oh,
this is the most incredible thing.
Really swell.
Yes.
You know, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so again, I got this at Michael's, and it's Elmer's brand, you know, and so it's, you just stick it down, you know, you pull across the surface of something, the page or whatever.
Beautiful.
You know, and then, you pull up, and then you can just adhere something right to the page. That's what I did for this picture. I just did it around the edges, like that. Oh, thank you so much. Here's the tape. Yay! Gosh, it's so great to work with other people.
Teamwork.
You know, just a moment ago, I was like, where did I put that sort of thing? It's like, oh, wait, someone moved it because I'm working with people. You know,
There are other people around us.
Again, this is all about connection, you know. So some people will do this and kind of tear up. I don't know if you can see that.
Okay,
Yeah, they'll
cute.
tear up some of, like a newspaper.
Yeah.
They tear up some of an article or something like that with the tape. So they have some of the words on there. And then people stick it right on.
Well, speaking of connection, you
Like
have a
that.
big event happening this weekend.
Oh,
as well.
yeah, anything but typical. So that's going to be going on at the Fargo Public Library from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
On Saturday?
Yeah, on Saturday.
Perfect.
Anyone has any questions, they can call me or email me, johndavidbirdall@gmail.com. Gosh, I'm looking at the screen and I'm reading it.
You're like, what is the phone number?
It's like, wait a second, my name is the email, so all I have to say is the name I've got. And so, we're going to be celebrating what it's like, or the achievements of individuals who identify as neuroatypical, and just achievements of people and of our community. It's really, really swell. So hopefully that goes well.
I think it will. That sounds absolutely incredible. It sounds like so much fun.
Yeah, we'll be live streaming it too. So.
Oh, fun.
Yep, on Facebook, and so people can check it out that way. Yep, and hey, I ought to make a scrapbook, right? Out of the whole thing, for the whole thing. Perhaps I'll bring something there and like, hey, let's all make this scrapbook.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's red. I'm going to go with a red rainbow.
My vibe over here is aloha. I have a lot of these flowers.
That's really, really great.
And I'm just thinking spring.
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, yours is great too. Not the same vibe, but there's, the same colors. That's what we'll say.
And then I made this on Halloween when I was here.
Oh, fun.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, our mask.
Yes.
I remember that. I think I made a vampire. No, what did I make?
Did you make a witch?
A witch. Yeah, I made a witch with a hat and everything. Good memory. Good memory.
Oh, yes, I've got an eidetic one.
You know what's, and I think I still have that mask at my desk.
Oh, good.
Usually all of our crafts are just like stacked up against my paintings, everything.
I'm good.
This will be added to my art wall.
Nice. So yeah, I just cut that off, and because it's on this adhesive foam, or that it adheres, I'm going to stick it on the page.
Oh, you're going to put it on your scrapbook.
Yeah, I'm going to put it right
a
there.
craft within
Memories.
a craft.
Yes.
I love it.
Yes. How meta.
How meta.
Oh my gosh.
Truly.
There we go. Yes.
This is like scrapbooking. You throw in the kitchen sink at the whole thing.
Yes.
Whatever you got, get your glue stick out and have fun.
Well, yes, and it's not about being perfect or being right or being beautiful or whatnot. If it turns out that way, that's wonderful, isn't it?
Beauty's in the eye of the
make
beholder.
There we go. So there, I stuck that to the page, so I'll hold this up once again.
How cute.
Yep.
I love it.
And so isn't that great? I'll stand back so you can.
Wait, where was the fortunes? We had fortune cookie fortunes too.
When I was here working on fortunes.
I need a little fortune in my life.
Sure, okay. Some good fortune?
Absolutely. That's the only fortune I call in.
There's some of those.
Perfect.
Yeah, these were Valentine's ones. Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna do someone
is-
has Googled you recently.
Oh no!
It says you will make someone very happy by cleaning all the toilets in the house.
Oh.
And is that not the most universal sign? I was like, please God, send me some good fortune. And he said, no girl, go clean your house.
Well, that's the power of prayer, right?
Oh my God,
goodness.
ask and you shall
Okay.
receive. Okay.
Oh.
This is I think we have to go, right? Are they whistling us
Yes.
off?
I think so.
Aloha vibe with some, inspirational quotes. John David, the man himself in action.
Yep.
And Miss North Dakota today, Sophia over there in the end. How cute, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and joining us. John David Birdall, always a pleasure having you here to get crafty.
Thank you so much.
Yay! All right, coming up, you guys, you're not going to want to miss this. We are bringing the glamour right into studio. Actual Miss North Dakota joining us, yes, right here after the break.